Hey tech lovers, meet the Amazon Smart Plug, your new home automation buddy. Reason 1. Voice control with Alexa makes managing devices a breeze. Imagine turning on your coffee maker without leaving bed. Pure magic. Reason 2. Setup is a snap. Plug in, open Alexa app, done. No hub needed. Just plug and play for instant smart home integration. Reason 3. Compact design keeps your second outlet free. More room, more fun. Perfect for lamps, fans, coffee makers, and holiday lights. Endless possibilities. Set up routines to automate tasks like brewing coffee or turning on lights. Reliable connection even after power or Wi-Fi outages. No worries. Ready to upgrade your home? Grab the Amazon Smart Plug today. Click the link below to start your smart home journey now. Don't miss out on effortless convenience and automation. Get yours today. Find the product link in the description.